Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Let's make nutritious food. Today we will prepare delicious chicken dum biryani with normal rice. Please do like, share and subscribe the video. Take a vessel and add 750 grams of clean chicken. Add salt according to your taste. Add little bit of turmeric powder. Add 2 spoons of chili powder. Add garam masala. Add roasted cumin powder. Add roasted coriander seed powder. Add oil. Add 2 spoons of ginger garlic paste. Squeeze 2 lemons. I completely use 2 lemons. Lemons will add good taste, so make sure to add more lemons. Add half cup of curd. Mix everything properly and it will take around 5 minutes to mix it. After mixing, you have to marinate it for 2 hours. So minimum is 2 hours. Maximum you can marinate for more hours also. Meanwhile, take a vessel, add oil, add ghee, add cardamom, cinnamon, cloves, cashews, add 2 cups of onions. Fry onions on low flame. Add sliced green chilies. Add ginger garlic paste. Once again mix it. Add 1 cup of chopped tomatoes. Mix it properly. Add salt according to your taste. Add coriander leaves. Add mint leaves. Once again mix everything properly. Now cover the lid and cook it on low flame for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, check it. Mix it properly. Now add marinated chicken. After adding marinated chicken, cook on high flame for 5 minutes until the chicken loses the water content in it. After that, you have to cook on low to medium flame until the chicken gets cooked to 80%. So mix well. Cook on high flame for 5 minutes. Cover the lid. Meanwhile, take a vessel and add 3 glasses of rice. Wash the rice and soak rice for half an hour. Now you have to cook the rice. In that, add lemons, add salt, add cardamom, add cinnamon, add cloves. Mix it properly and cook rice on medium to high flame. Meanwhile, check the chicken. Mix it properly. Cover the lid. In between, check it for every 3 to 4 minutes. Simultaneously, the rice is getting cooked. You have to cook rice up to 80%. Once again, mix chicken properly. Now add the 80% cooked rice. Add fresh coriander leaves. Add fresh mint leaves. Add ghee. It will give good flavor. And again, what I have done is I took little bit of turmeric powder and I mixed it in milk and I'm adding it for natural yellow color. So instead of market colors, you can use this. Cook it on low flame for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, the biryani is ready. But make sure to keep it at least half an hour before you mix it. We were very hungry. That's the reason we opened the lid as soon as the biryani prepared. Mix everything properly. Hey guys, thank you so much for watching the video. Please do like, share and subscribe the video and comment what kind of recipes you wanna watch.